Dear Father, I have always wondered all these years since your disappearance, but I also constantly thought to myself about what happened when I was born. Maybe I could find a reason why you did left, somehow. Mother has always told me how difficult things were for our family when you had me, but I was always left unconvinced about that reason. I found some clues under your cupboard in your old room with the letter you told Mother to give me before I turned 21. Some breadcrumbs on some lines on your mathematical textbooks. Mother told me that you were a math professor in some prestigious university that I'm also attending to. I'm 20 now, by the way, turning 21 next month, at least. Your friends that who taught me everything he could teach to learn what is there in the world, even your theories. At that cupboard, I found some kind of a clue, and I can only think of one thing that will lead me to that. That breadcrumb lead me to a book, your first book that was published when I was still so young. I have read it so many times and have been intrigued by how you saw the world. But I was glad to see and learn that part of you. As far as I could remember, that book was a part of me growing up. I even begged Mother to read it to me as a bedtime story. We always argued because she always had a hard time reading it to me, but she made sure that I slept soundly at night. To further solve my curiosity of how old were you when you left us, I scanned repeatedly the book, hoping I would find some more hints and even hidden messages you intentionally placed, waiting for it to be revealed. Following the clues I found, and the trail that led me to your theory of H-word problems. So, to begin with, A is equal to S plus 20, and then followed by A plus 10 is equal to 2 quantity S plus 10 close quantity, which will then be S plus 20 plus 10 is equal to 2 quantity S plus 10 close quantity. I have studied your theories nearly since I was at elementary. It wasn't a smooth childhood unlike the others, but I'm happy where you are right now, Father. It took me a while to finally conclude everything I have discovered. Now that I know that a 30-year-old man, which I call my father, is out there, maybe drinking a hot brewed coffee or reading a newspaper on someone else's patio, would be happy and at the same time anxious that after all these years, his son has finally did it. He used his father's theory upon unveiling one out of the million questions in himself about his existence. I guess this will be now my advanced 21st birthday gift, to finally know how old were you when you disappeared, even though you are still my father, right? Wherever you might be right now, me and Mother will always hope that you would come back to us. I will continue your researches back in the lab. Until next time, your son.